Hi, my name is Jean Montgomery and I'm the Network Administrator at Superiorland Library Cooperative located in the beautiful Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Today I'd like to talk to you about several ways we have gone green by saving travel dollars and consumption of fuel. First, I'd like to describe our cooperative for you. We are a staff of 7 personnel, 2 of which provide services to the blind and physically handicapped in the Upper Peninsula. Our mission to our libraries is to improve the quality of library services through value-added and cost-effective services. This includes resource sharing, continuing education, technology services, and more. Our libraries are spread out across the Upper Peninsula and northern Michigan. We are located in Marquette, Michigan, and serve libraries in Calumet, a school public library, 113 miles away. Ironwood Carnegie Library, 145 miles to our west. To our south, Speeds Public Library, a 2.5-hour drive. And to our east, St. Agnes Public Library, 3 hours away. We do cross the Mighty Mac Bridge and service the Alpena County Library about 5 hours away. And finally, the Crawford County Library and its 3 branches. There are 38 total libraries that we serve, so you can see we are widespread and to get together can be very difficult. 6 years ago, our state library recognized that for us to participate in some of their group collaborations, our libraries needed an alternative to driving. So they purchased for us a video conferencing station. It consisted of 2 27-inch TVs, a Polycom FX4000 camera, and other peripherals. When we first started, we connected using ISDN, which ended up being costly, so we moved to IP only. But in order to get a good quality connection, we needed quite a bit of bandwidth, and this drained on the library's public and staff computer connections. Our next move was to work with the local telehealth system. This allowed us to connect with more local libraries through local health systems and doctor offices. This did cost the cooperative, but the savings in the money and time for library staff outweighed the cost. Librarians could participate by traveling to sites that were less than a half-hour away. We also used the local regional educational media centers as sites which were free of charge to us. This year, we were able to add fiber to our main site and upgrade many of our other libraries, allowing us to have additional connections right at the libraries. We upgraded the main site with an LCD TV, making for a crisper picture which does not stress the eyes. We can connect with 3 other libraries with our current equipment and still use the telehealth and regional education media centers to expand using their bridges. What do we use our video conference equipment for? Distance learning and training, interviews, project management and event planning, meetings. We have allowed outside groups to use our equipment so they too can save on travel expenses. Video conference allows for meeting experiences as close to being there as possible. We have purchased several Polycom conference phones for meetings where we don't need the visual component. The phone allows for high-quality audio. It does cost because of the local telephone service charges, but if you are using VoIP, there isn't additional cost. A product we use with our conference phone is ReadyTalk. ReadyTalk is a service we purchased through TechSoup. It gives us the option to have up to 96 audio connections. This cost is absorbed by the cooperative since the participants call a toll-free number. There is a video portion that allows you to connect over the internet, giving staff a webinar experience. We have used this for training library staff on using a new product we've purchased called Overdrive, also for demoing a content management software so libraries could migrate if they wished. You may have participated in a Maintain IT webinar that used ReadyTalk. It is a great collaboration tool since you can share your desktop and others can make annotations or changes to documents or presentations. As the administrator of the ReadyTalk software, you can schedule upcoming events. These events can be web and audio, or just web. You can email the invitation to a group of participants, or you can just give them a link to where they can attend the ReadyTalk session. Here is an example of what a ReadyTalk invitation looks like in an email. During a ReadyTalk session, you can do a slide presentation. You can use the green arrow or the yellow highlighter to emphasize points. You can allow for chat sessions while you're doing a presentation. And your presentations can also be recorded to be viewed later. When the session is over, you can have a feedback survey sent. Now I'd like to talk about a few products I use for tech support. These products work as long as you have internet access to the computer. From my desk, I can control a library's machine. This saves me time and money from having to travel and allows me to do a quick fix at a library when needed. The first product is called NetMeeting. This product comes with Windows XP machines. This free product allows you to view or share your desktop or the remote desktop. To use NetMeeting, you go to Start, Run, and type CONF. If this is your first time using this product, you will have to go through a quick wizard. Then we use the IP to connect to the machine. I make my IP accessible to other libraries for this purpose. You click on the telephone, the other machine accepts the call, you can then share your desktop, and the other person can request control of it. Now I would have full control of the machine to add software, demo software, or fix a problem. The next product that is free is called Remote Desktop. This product also allows you full control of the other machine, but staff cannot see what you are doing. I use this mostly on servers. This allows me to connect to the products such as Active Directory for policy changes, adding new users, PC management systems, and others. The last product that I'd like to demonstrate is VNC, which was an open source software which works similar to NetMeeting. The difference is that the staff on the other end does not have to do anything. You can connect and control the machine while they watch. Software is loaded on a server machine and then the local machine in order to do this interaction. You can restart the machine and be at the Control-Alt-Delete screen, and it still will work on the machine. Thank you for your time, and I hope you found some useful benefits from this presentation.